Okay, so we have our nice new door installed. Time to put the door handle on. So you're going to grab the quick fit installation kit. This is for a Larson Tradewinds door. Open it up and you're going to see a lot of stuff in here. For now, you're just worried about this gray thing. This is a template for drilling out the door handle. So it's got the word exterior for the exterior side. That goes outside. You can only put it on one way, so you can't screw it up. Kind of goes on like so. Notice this notch right here. That notch lines up with this hole right here. So when it's all on and lined up perfectly, the notch and the hole line up. You'll see exterior side, a bunch of holes here, and a bunch of drill outs here. Now when you're looking at this, you want to only drill with an 1/8 inch drill bit where you can read the word drill. So you should have 4 holes on each side. Don't get crazy and go, I can read that upside down. Don't drill that one. See you on the next.